In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time format in your Fresha account. A crucial little detail that can make managing your appointments so much more intuitive. Whether you prefer the classic default 12-hour clock or the 24-hour clock beloved by many around the world, knowing how to set this option can help tailor your scheduling experience to your preferences. Let's get started by heading over to the Fresha dashboard. Now, if you're at your desktop or perhaps using a tablet, this is where you'll find the central hub of all your management tools. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, there's a specific icon you need to look for. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a gear icon. This little gear represents the settings area. Think of it as the gateway to customizing your account. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, you're now in the settings section. Here, you want to direct your attention to an option labeled Scheduling. It's where you'll find all the tweaks related to how you set up and manage your time with Fresha. Clicking on Scheduling opens up a range of options dedicated to tailoring your scheduling features to best fit your needs. Now scan for the date and time settings. You'll spot an Edit button next to it. This is what you need to click on to make any changes. This action will take you directly into the date and time settings, which is exactly where we want to be to alter the time format. Within this section, there are a couple of choices. You'll find the option to select either the 12-hour format, where you'll see AM and PM, or the 24-hour format, which runs from 0 to 23 hours. This choice entirely depends on what feels most natural to you or what you're most accustomed to. Whether you're an early bird noting a 6 a.m. meeting or scheduling a late evening one at 20 hung, choose whichever format makes more sense for your daily routine. Once you've made your selection by simply clicking on your preferred option, there's one final step: saving your changes. Take a look at the top of this section and you'll see a Save button. Make sure to click on it to confirm and apply your new settings. This tiny yet crucial step ensures that your choice is locked in and ready for use the next time you manage your appointments. And that's it. You've successfully customized your time format on Fresha. It's one of those simple tweaks that can make a big difference in how you view and manage your time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.